showing you the most disgusting slime. It's the slime me and my best friend made, and it's called Shark Spawn. It was a gorgeous slime and literally had no problems. It was very, very pretty, sparkly, and a very soft blue color. Well, this is it now after a while. I tried to make a video, but it failed. And anyway, I'm pretty sure it literally turned basically back into glue. Do you guys think it turned back into glue? I had to mix in like stuff that was coming out of the edges to like save as much slime as I could. But do you guys think this is actually good slime, or is it just disgusting? Because like, look at that color, bro. It's so nasty. Ugh. And like, you can like see all the glitter coming up from the bottom. Like, the poor glitter. I can feel like the chunks from the edges in my fingers, and it's really nasty. It's super sticky too. So is this like the world's grossest slime, or what do you guys think? Because it's not as good as it looks.